Investing is one of the most important things you can do for your financial future. When you invest, you're putting your money to work for you. You're giving it the potential to grow so you can reach your goals. That's where demat accounts come in. A demat account is like a digital safe for your investments. It holds shares of stock, bonds, and other securities electronically. You need a demat account to buy and sell these investments. Think of it like a bank account, but for your investments. Without a demat account, you'd have to deal with physical share certificates. These are outdated and risky. It's like keeping all your cash at home instead of safely in a bank. Opening a demat account is the first step to entering the world of investing. It's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Before you start the process of opening a demat account, it's essential to gather the necessary documents. Having everything prepared will make the process smooth and hassle-free. Here's what you'll need. Proof of identity. This could be your passport, driver's license, or voter ID card. Proof of address. You can use your utility bills, bank statements, or rental agreement for this purpose. PAN card. Your permanent account number, PAN card, is mandatory for opening a demat account in India. Bank account details. You'll need to link your bank account to your demat account for transactions. Passport-sized photographs. Keep a few handy for the application forms. Having these documents ready beforehand will save you time and ensure a quicker account opening process. Remember, each document is crucial for verification purposes, so double-check that you have everything in order. Opening a demat account is a straightforward process. You can do it online from the comfort of your own home. Let's break down the steps. First, choose a depository participant, DP. Second, fill out the account opening form. Third, complete the KYC process. Finally, once your application is approved, you'll receive your demat account number. You're now ready to start investing. Section 4. Understanding the costs. There are costs associated with opening and maintaining a demat account. Be aware of them before you open an account. Charges vary depending on the DP you choose. Some DPs charge a one-time account opening fee. Annual maintenance charges, AMC, are recurring fees. Transaction fees apply when you buy or sell securities. Understanding these costs helps you choose the right DP. Section 5. The benefits of a demat account. Now that you know how to open a demat account and the costs involved, let's talk about the benefits. Why go through this process? Because a demat account offers numerous advantages for investors. Safe and secure. Say goodbye to the risks associated with physical share certificates, such as theft, loss, or damage. Your investments are held securely in electronic form. Seamless transactions. Buying and selling securities becomes quick, easy, and paperless with a demat account. Transactions are settled electronically, making the process efficient. Reduced risks. Demat accounts eliminate the risk of bad deliveries or fake certificates. You can be confident that your investments are genuine. Access to a wider range of investments. A demat account opens the door to a wider range of investment opportunities, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. With these benefits, it's clear that a demat account is an essential tool for anyone looking to invest in the stock market. Section 6. Choosing the right depository participant. Choosing the right depository participant, or DP, is crucial for a smooth and rewarding investment journey. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to make the right choice. Here are some factors to consider. Reputation and reliability. Opt for a DP with a solid track record and a reputation for reliability. Look for online reviews and ratings from other investors. Fees and charges. Compare the fees charged by different DPs, including account opening fees, annual maintenance charges, and transaction fees. Choose a DP that offers competitive rates. Trading platform. If you plan to trade online, consider the DP's online trading platform. Look for a platform that is user-friendly, secure, and offers the features you need. Customer support. Good customer support is essential, especially if you're new to investing. Choose a DP that provides responsive and helpful customer service. Take your time, research different DPs, and choose one that aligns with your investment goals and preferences. Remember, The right DP can make a significant difference in your investment experience.